Alright, hi guys, just a bit of a update here. I just put a couple of hours into the box, and it's the drawbar box, sorry. It's going okay. So as always, please don't pick on my welds. They are strong, however, but they need a bit of a tidy up. So this is what I'm doing here. So it's 1200 long. It's about 400 this way, and about 600 to here. Now there's going to be a bar go from here to here, and here to here, and then back up there, and then probably back up this way, just to protect the wall from, well, timber, because that's above is the timber shelf, and underneath will be where beside the battery will go back here, well, back at the front here. This is the door, opens this way. And the same on the other side. I haven't finished the other side. I've only attached one hinge because I broke or damaged one of the hinges. I was initially going to tack weld them on there, but yeah, it didn't work out, so I had to break it. So instead I'm putting a through and through tech. Should be strong enough. It's only going to be a lightweight door anyway, and then it's going to have a latch and a lock over here. But yeah, that should be heaps of space under there. I reckon I'll use half of it for power and then half of it for storage. You could probably even fit the diesel drums. Yeah, anyway, that's all for now.